Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is Coin's bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to SHIB update right now. I just want to remove all the drawings at the moment for SHIB and let's dive back into a clear chart and let's talk about a continuation pattern of a descending triangle. So let's go back into Google and I'm going to write in there continuation patterns and click on the continuation pattern to show you exactly what we are about to do. So basically this is a descending triangle that you see. Okay, so the prices come down, move sideways like a descending triangle, they pop down and they continue lower. Now if you look at SHIB, this is the only pattern that I want to discuss about today in this update and come straight to the point. So all you do is make that descending line. So yeah, you're gonna have that descending line up here, one touch, second touch, third touch right there, and then after making that descending line as well, you come up with this line at the moment, and you can see that's pretty much a solid descending triangle, a continuation pattern to move even way more lower. So come out of there, pop out, and Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Solana video update. And right now Solana is trading at $11.7. We're still looking for that $10 and then the $6 at the moment. So continuation patterns, red candles are still being printed out at the moment. So there's nothing to be honest, there's nothing positive about the patterns that are printing out, and it was so expected because of that weekly. Once again, I'm just going to give you a refresher and talk about this one. And by the way, if you've been following the channel, some of you have been asking about the signals and the entry. So yeah, it's opened, and check the Discord is resumed for quite a while. So in the next days I'm going to be closing the entry by the end of the month basically. So watch this video on how to enter the signals if you're interested. Super cheap, you get 40 days for $10 actually. So see you into the signals, and I do have a very private video that I just recently made, and to watch that you have to be a part of it because the next 5 months are going to be interesting for how we make things and how we invest and whatnot. So do check it out. You can save a lot, you can try to earn as well. So let's see. At the moment, this was your left shoulder right there, the head, the right shoulder down here, pop out of it, and you're looking for that huge $4 technical target. It could be $3.5, $4. That's the zone that I'm looking forward to. And not to mention that this was first accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, go for the redistribution, come down, make another accumulation once again. So if that's a cycle that repeats, we try to accumulate from here, go back up, and probably even go back higher than the all-time high and try to move up to $400 in the future if the project is solid. Because I recently heard that Google have partnership with Solana as well. So I'm not going to say Solana doesn't have a future. Solana might have a very bright future, which is actually good for you to hear finally that I'm speaking good about the pattern. Because on a swing trade concept, we still look for $4, but on a higher or a long-term investment strategy, this could potentially be a gemstone once again. I mean, it's not out of the way or dead. So let's see, Google partner with Solana. I think they're using Solana for their cloud-based thing. So Google Cloud, yeah, Google Cloud is soon to become a Solana node validator. So Google Cloud blockchain node engine, which was first announced in October 27, will feature on the Solana chain from 2023. Okay, so we could have the bottom by the early 2023, and in the future in 2023, whenever Google makes the announcement, we could have Solana trying to make some crazy moves again, just like it did before. I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, I do expect something when you have Google as a partner with you as well. So Google is a huge, like a giant industry out there. So that's not a very small thing to talk about. Now, is it going down? Yes, everything is going down, by the way. Everyone is getting bankrupt. There's bad news all over the place. But that is the fun part about the bear market. There's a winning mindset and there's a losing mindset as well, and all of this I talk about in detail in the course, and it's a part of the market psychology. This is where you learn the biggest secrets of how the market really works, and all of this is expected because It all comes down to psychology. Come down, and this is, for example, when it comes down to market psychology, if I have to give you a quick comment, this is where the smart money buys in. This is where the new investors, they buy, and the smart money, they exit, they sell here, and then they come down, and then again the new investors, they try to exit after buying from the top, they exit at the bottom, and the smart money comes in, and then they buy again. Boom. Okay, so it's a very simple trading psychology concept. A lot of stuff, a lot of contents I have prepared for you and whatnot. So if you're interested in any of that, always check that out. You can check the signal, you can check the course, it's all there. To get the course, message me on Discord. This is my Discord, and you can come on AdamCoins_ to message me to get it. And that's pretty much it for this update. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm gonna see you the next one. See you at $6. Allah Hafiz.